mess that must have been to clean up. Was it worth it, Wes? I'm assuming he took a picture. Look at all that water everywhere.
There's so much.
So much water. I want that in my body, not all over the floor. There's Fiona. I know
Hi,
her.
Fiona.
She's wearing a jacket of a bear eating a human being. You can see a bear eating a person. If for some reason smaller, I see it looks more like a skull in that picture. When it's blown up, I just see bear.
You just see bear because it's just the big image thing.
In the patch, I see the skull that they were telling me it was before, and I said, no, that's a lie. But now I believe it. There's Trevor. He's got a thing on his back. What's up? Okay. He's fronting. Still, Issa and I are trying to do this show. You left. Okay, she's wearing sandals. Or they're flip-flops. See, those aren't flip-flops.
No, she showed the flip-flops off screen.
No way. These aren't flip-flops. They are fancy, but like, to me...
Watch out, pothole on road ahead.
Aren't flip-flops. They're sturdy.
Oh,
you
those
know?
look like sandals.
They look like sandals.
Flip-flops?
Who knows? This is crazy. We won't get to the bottom. Sorry, we interrupted the merch. There's another shirt. It says Achieve on it. Say Achieve on it. This is the line for you. There it is.
I like the watch. Can I have the watch?
I don't know that the watch. I think you'd have to take it from the person in the photo.
Okay.
I don't think the watch is part of the line, but I don't know. I wasn't there, so it could be.
Better than we were. See, this is the bear. This is the bear.
You can wear whatever you want. If someone says, "Hey, what's that on your shirt?" It's your time to shine.
It's the bear.
You can say whatever you want.
It's true. Hi, Fiona.
There she is again. Fiona looks so done anytime she takes a modeling photo. And that's because she is. She's just thinking about the last video she recorded, how much she hates us. And there's some clothes. Now we did it. We did them a service.
General use. That was a good service, Michael.
Thanks for helping. Thanks for being on the show.
Thanks for having me.
I'm glad you